全球气候变迁，美国阿拉斯加的冰川大坝呢，进前是发生崩花、做大水，有真侪厝拢气候冲害去。伫咧当地的即个冰川的旅游业嘛，受到真大的冲击。专家就讲，过去其实毋捌看过遮尔侪水，即马冰川呢是愈来愈少，所以沿海城市安全嘛受到威胁。
地基和大水一直冲入，两岸边的厝规拢倒来。美国阿拉斯加州首府朱诺发生破纪录的大水，不过唔是因为当地落大雨，是因为冰川大坝规个崩起，和山顶的水流来。伫门登霍尔冰川强烈的水流冲入了，当地至少有2栋厝被损害，沿海的树仔规排拢挡袂了大水，规个倒来。其实偌久之前，这是一个观光景点，有上千上万的游客，拢会坐游轮到这接个换巴士或者是缆车，要亲目睭看这美丽冰川。
The views are spectacular and unbeatable, and they're everywhere.
不过，想要看到完整的冰川，恐怕是愈来愈困难，因为根据阿拉斯加大学的研究指出，门登霍尔冰川伫咧2007到2022年之间，已經退縮8卡球場的面積。專家擔心，到2050年時陣，遊客中心這個所在將無法度再看到冰川。
Not just for us, but for people all over the world, really, coming to see it. And I think most of that is the glacier. So, yeah, when that's gone, I don't know if that'd be quite the same draw for them.
水文專家警告講，過去從來毋捌看過這麼大量的水對冰川大壩內面流出來，恐怕是因為全世界暖化情形影響冰川系統的整體機制。
These outburst floods or these glacial dam lakes, that is from a receding and shrinking glacier systems that have these side basins can not filled up with ice anymore, but they can be filled up with water. But these individual events from year to year is really a mechanism of how cold it was that winter, how much snow fell, how much precipitation, but also just the glacial dynamics.
门登霍尔冰川每年拢会吸引几60万的游客来遮，不过伫咧全球暖化，冰川继续消退，最美丽风景以后恐怕看袂到咯。公司新闻郑伟林编写。